Why should pharmacy students be familiar with cough medication? Pharmacy students should be familiar with cough syrup for several important reasons. 1. Understanding formulations. Cough syrups come in various formulations, including expectorants, suppressants, and combination products. Knowing the differences helps in recommending the right type for patients. 2. Patient counseling. Pharmacy professionals often counsel patients on how to use cough syrups effectively, including dosage, timing, and potential side effects. Familiarity with these products is essential for providing accurate information. 3. Identifying active ingredients. Many cough syrups contain active ingredients like dextromethorphan, guaifenesin, or codeine. Understanding these components helps in assessing their appropriateness for individual patients and avoiding drug interactions. 4. Recognizing indications and contraindications. Pharmacy students need to know when to recommend cough syrup and when to avoid it, especially in patients with certain health conditions or those taking specific medications. 5. Managing side effects. Knowledge of the potential side effects associated with cough syrups is important for patient safety. Students should be able to inform patients about what to expect and when to seek medical advice. 6. Staying updated on guidelines. Cough management guidelines can change over time. Familiarity with current recommendations ensures that pharmacy professionals provide evidence-based care. 6. Community health impact. Cough is a common symptom that may indicate various underlying conditions. Pharmacists play a key role in public health by advising on appropriate treatments and when to seek further medical care. By being knowledgeable about cough syrup, pharmacy students can better serve their future patients and contribute to effective health care. In addition, the economic reason for pharmacy students to be familiar with cough syrup is indeed related to the significant demand for these products. Here are a few key points. 1. High demand. Cough and cold symptoms are common, leading to a consistent demand for cough syrups. This creates a substantial market within the pharmaceutical industry. 2. Profit margins. Cough syrups often have good profit margins for pharmacies. Understanding these products can help pharmacy students appreciate their role in business and inventory management. 3. Consumer education. As cough syrups are widely used, pharmacies have an opportunity to educate consumers on proper use, potentially increasing customer loyalty and repeat business. 4. Market trends. Staying informed about trends in cough syrup formulations and consumer preferences can help pharmacies adapt their offerings to meet changing demands effectively. Overall, understanding cough syrup not only enhances patient care, but also contributes to the economic viability of pharmacy practice.
Please view the video and complete the following questions. 1. Why is it important for pharmacy students to understand the different formulations of cough syrups, e.g., expectorants versus suppressants? 2. How can pharmacists effectively counsel patients on the proper use of cough syrup? 3. What are the risks of not recognizing contraindications for cough syrups, e.g., codeine in certain patients? 4. Why should pharmacy students stay updated on evolving cough management guidelines? 5. How does pharmacist intervention improve public health in cases of chronic or severe cough? 6. What economic factors make cough syrups a key product for pharmacies? 7. How can pharmacies balance profit motives with ethical considerations when selling cough syrups? 8. What role do pharmacists play in addressing the misuse of cough syrups, e.g., recreational dextromethorphan use?
Practice is the key to mastery. Every effort, no matter how small, gets you closer to perfection. Keep going. Your dedication will pay off. Latihan adalah kunci menuju penguasaan keterampilan berbahasa. Setiap usaha, sekecil apapun, membawa Anda lebih dekat ke kesempurnaan. Teruslah maju, dedikasi Anda akan membuahkan hasil. Salam dari Pak Budi.